Welcome to the MarTech Toolkit for Digital Professionals course. I'm Joey Nguyen from Venntifact, and I'm here to tell you about what you can expect from the course. So what is MarTech? MarTech, or shorthand for marketing technology, is the area of customer relationship management, where digital tools make it possible for marketers to automate tasks and make data-driven decisions. An important goal of MarTech is to help marketers find and nurture customers, personalize customer interactions, and measure the effectiveness of campaigns. The course is designed for marketing and digital professionals who come from a diverse range of backgrounds, analysts, specialists in areas like UX or SEM, or generalists who are looking to move into a digital leadership role. Whatever your level or area of expertise, understanding MarTech will help you develop a mix of highly sought after skills that are critical in the current industry. A bit of background about who I am. I've worked in this space for over 10 years and have had the opportunity to work with some of Australia's most well-known brands, helping them to not only stand up their marketing technology investments, but to help build, train, and support their teams to deliver return on investment. And time again, my partners and I found it was difficult for our clients to find people who really understood the technology they had invested in and actually had the skills to jump onto the tools or guide their teams in bringing their digital strategy to life. This was an interesting problem and one that I've been passionate about solving for our industry. So we went to the drawing board and asked ourselves, how would we design the perfect digital marketing professional? What are the top skills that our clients are asking for? And what mix of technical and business skills would they need to be successful in today's market? The outcome is the MarTech Toolkit for Digital Professionals course. The course will take you through the skills that we see are needed to be a strategic digital leader. Starting with customer experience strategy, we go deep into the MarTech, analytics, and AdTech ecosystems and the core tools and technology used in the industry today. To set you up for success, we also cover business skills that are needed to build the case for MarTech investment and how to develop those ways of working within your business with vendors and with agencies. As a capstone project, we'll apply the concepts covered in the course to a real-world business problem to build your portfolio and arm you with the right approach to take into your career. And finally, to help you take that next step in your professional development, we'll assess your skills and provide you recommendations on how to further develop to set you up for success. By taking this course, you will develop solid foundations across marketing technology concepts and build the skills you need to effectively drive value from the tools. If you're looking to make a move into digital, or you want to take the next step in your career, then the MarTech Toolkit for Digital Professionals course is for you.